Hey guys, I am up in my studio and I need to wash a few transfers, and I thought I would show you how I wash my transfers. So many of you have asked me after I'm done doing a video how I wash the transfers, or I get messages, can you confirm how I'm supposed to wash these? So I thought, seeing I had to wash them, I have a couple of orders I'm trying to fill. I thought I would show you quick how easy it is to clean a transfer. So let me show you. I use cookie sheets for drying racks, and I kind of just stack them on. They are perfect for drying transfers. I've already put the transfer in the water, and guess what? I am using, again, the oval wreath. So I let it soak for about a minute, that's it. And I take our board eraser. If you all have not gotten a board eraser, this is gold. These work perfectly on everything and anything that you need to do. I actually use them around the house. They're almost like a magic eraser, so they take care of any kind of issue. So I will go ahead and I just get the front of the transfer, and I take my sponge and I kind of just wash it off. This is actually a dirty one, I've been using it. I will put the transfer right on my counter. Again, this is my studio countertop. I've done this in my kitchen before. If you don't want to put it directly on your countertop for fear of staining, just throw a towel down. And then I just wash the top of the sponge. I just wash the top of the transfer with the sponge. You want to make sure you get all that paste off, especially inside the mesh area. On the back, there's a little bit there, I use a wet wipe. And the reason why I use a wet wipe is this actually activates all that sticky back. Because if you remember, we kind of put some fuzz on this before we put the transfer down. Oops, and that's all you do. Kind of go over it again on the front and the back. Then I run it under water. And then I lay it flat, sticky side up, on my drying racks, aka cookie sheets. So that's how I wash my transfers. I hope this really quick video helps with any questions that you may have. Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye everyone.